Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your nails a little longer. It's a hassle to make your nails longer using tips and nail forms. But if you want to make your nails a little longer, please try this method. If you use something, you can easily make a little extra length. You can make it with just a brush and something you already know. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Start with nail care, sanding, and removing oil in advance. The preparation method is explained in detail in this video, so please check it out. First, apply base coat to your nails. Apply the base gel rubbing into the scratches you made in the preparation process. After applying base coat to the entire nail, expose it to a nail light to harden it. Now, let's make your nails a little longer. We'll use this PolyGel. PolyGel is a nail product that is harder than gel and perfect for making nails longer. Take out the clay-like PolyGel on the back of the tip. Cover your nail. Harden it with the light. And remove it to complete the lengthening. There is a wide range of color variations, so you can do both coloring and lengthening at the same time, which saves time. By using a little of this PolyGel to shape it, you can add a little extra length. There are various colors, but this time we'll use clear color so that it's easy to see. First, take out a little bit of PolyGel on the tip of your nail. Squeeze it out of the tube and place it directly on your nail as it is. Next, take a small container and pour ethanol into it. After adding the ethanol, prepare a brush. You can use a brush for gel instead, but the PolyGel ingredients may get into the brush. So it is recommended to keep one for the PolyGel and one for the gel separately. First, dip the brush in ethanol and soak it the whole way. Lightly wipe it with the edge and shape the PolyGel in this state. First, make the tip side of the nail. This method can be extended to a length of about 1 to 2 mm from the tip of the nail. If you want to extend it further, use the normal method, use a tip and PolyGel. Apply the brush parallel to the nail and lightly press towards the tip to extend the PolyGel a little. At this time, place the brush like this to create a gentle curve when viewed from the tip of the nail. This will cause the underside of the nail to bulge. So shape the underside to create gentle curve that follows the shape of the nail. If the tip of the nail is too thin, it will break easily. So make it about 2 mm thick. Once the tip side is done, next, you need to blend the border between the PolyGel and your natural nail. Place the base of the brush at the base of the nail and apply a little pressure to the base side to thin the border of the PolyGel. If the ethanol on the brush runs out while you are shaping it, immediately dip the brush in ethanol to keep it moist. This is because the PolyGel will stick to the brush when the ethanol runs out. This will blur the border. Check that the shape of the tip part you created earlier is not deformed. And hold it under a nail light as it is to harden it. After exposing your nails to the light, if there are any areas that bother you, file them down to shape them. If they are already in a nice shape, you can skip this step. If you want to apply color gel after this, apply base gel, color gel, and top coat in that order. This time, we will finish by applying top coat. Once you have applied top coat to the entire nail, harden it with the light. And that's it! We were able to add a little length using just PolyGel. How did you like the method of adding a little length using PolyGel? This method doesn't require any tips or foam, and you can add length using just PolyGel, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like seeing more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.